Have you checked the weather forecast today? It tells you if you will need an umbrella tomorrow, alerts communities to prepare for heat waves, guides farmers when to plant and pilots to fly you safely. But did you know that every forecast starts with weather and climate data gathered every day from all around the world? And because data is still missing from many countries, we are working together to close the gap and to make our forecasts better. And here's what that looks like.
Here in Solomon Islands, safety is critical, especially in a country that is affected by UXO in the past. We're working to prepare 3 lands across the provinces, so our new upper air stations are built on a safe and secured ground.
Mozambique, SOFF is going to support 21 meteorological stations to be operational. Behind me, you have a WizBox server that will continue providing information from the meteorological station to the global database.
The SOFF project in Bhutan will construct the first ever upper air observation in Bhutan. The site is located in the central part of Bhutan, which will also benefit the aviation industry.
Nous sommes ici dans les localités techniques de notre parc solaire. Avant de la mise en place de cette salle, nous avons manqué de l'électricité pour faire les prévisions météorologiques. Maintenant, notre centre opérationnel de prévision hydrométéorologique fonctionne 24 heures sur 24.
Through the SOFF initiative, the weather station at the Philip Wilson International Airport in Belize will become fully GMON compliant, sending hourly messages in support of global weather prediction.
These walls were built with SOFF project to feed to hydrogen safeties. The hydrogen generator is important because the balloon for carrying the radiosonde up in the air has to be filled either with hydrogen.
Countries are stepping up, but there's still a long way to go. Closing that gap takes expertise, sustained funding, and long-term commitment from donors and partners across the world. This is not charity, it's an investment in safety, resilience, and better decisions for all.
This is SOFF in action!